Welcome to Springleaf Residence, the newest icon in tranquil luxury, living along Upper Thompson Road. Discover a rare blend of nature, connectivity, and modern comfort, crafted for discerning homeowners and savvy investors. Developed by GuocoLand and Leong Holdings, named synonymous with quality and innovation, Springleaf Residence promises exceptional build quality, smart home features, and layouts to suit every lifestyle, from singles to multi-generational families. The developer has a diverse portfolio, including projects like Midwood, the Avenir, and Lentaire Central Residences. Notable developments such as Midtown Bay Residence and Midtown Modern highlight their focus on urban living. Meyer Mansion stands out for its luxury offerings. These projects reflect a commitment to quality and innovation in residential development. The development boasts excellent connectivity, linking seamlessly to the Sealtar Expressway and Upper Thompson Road. This strategic location ensures easy access to major routes, enhancing convenience for residents and visitors alike. The proximity to the Sealtar Expressway and Central Expressway further underscores the project's commitment to accessibility and efficient transportation options. The development spans approximately 32,023.7 square meters, with a land price of 779.6 million Singapore dollars. It features a 99-year leasehold and includes 5 25-story towers. There are around 941 units, with 80% of car park lots equipped for electric vehicle charging. The unit mix ranges from 1 to 5 bedroom units. The current housing market faces a significant shortfall, with a demand of 1,898,976 dwelling houses and a supply of only 1,463,000. There is a deficit of 435,976 homes. This gap highlights the urgent need for strategic planning and development to meet the growing demand for housing. Current views of the housing market reveal a significant shortfall in dwelling houses, totaling 435,976. This deficit highlights the urgent need for strategic planning and development. Analyzing drone views from the east, south, west, and north can provide valuable insights into potential areas for expansion and infrastructure improvement. The drone captures stunning views from all directions. To the east, offers a panoramic view of urban architecture. To the south, the landscape unfolds with vibrant greenery. The west reveals a breathtaking sunset over the horizon, while the north showcases a serene, expansive water body. Each direction provides a unique perspective, enhancing our understanding of the area's diverse geography. Explore the vibrant shopping and dining options available. From boutique stores offering unique finds to diverse eateries serving global cuisines, there's something for everyone. These spaces not only provide convenience, but also enhance the community's cultural and social fabric, making them integral to urban life. The North-South corridor offers a seamless blend of urban and natural environments. It features dedicated lanes for jogging and cycling, promoting an active lifestyle. The corridor is lined with lush greenery, providing a serene backdrop for nature walks. This integration of green spaces enhances urban living, offering a refreshing escape within the city. Jogging, cycling, and nature walks in green spaces offer numerous health benefits, including improved cardiovascular health and mental well-being. These activities promote physical fitness while allowing individuals to connect with nature, reducing stress and enhancing mood. Green spaces provide a safe, scenic environment for these activities, encouraging a healthy, active lifestyle. Located on Upper Thompson Road, the show flat is conveniently positioned next to Springleaf MRT Exit 3. A sheltered walkway ensures easy access to the mass rapid transit, enhancing connectivity for residents. This strategic location offers both convenience and accessibility, making it an attractive choice for potential homeowners. The multiple nuclei concept highlights the development of various urban centers. Lentaire, Bishan, Toa-Payoh, Serangoon, and Ang-Mo-Kio nuclei each serve as distinct hubs, fostering local growth and connectivity. Springleaf nuclei, in particular, exemplifies strategic urban planning, enhancing community engagement and accessibility. Springleaf's SFV Framework ensures a secure and efficient process. Safe entry protocols are crucial for maintaining order and safety. Appreciation of the area's unique features enhances community engagement. Financial planning is vital for sustainable growth, while a well-defined exit strategy ensures long-term success. These elements collectively foster a thriving environment. Springleaf Residence offers a unique opportunity. Don't miss out. Contact Elise Lim today to learn more and secure your spot in this remarkable development. Reach me at 88680011 or listprop101@gmail.com. Let's explore the SAFE framework together. Safe entry, appreciation, financials, and exit strategy to guide you through your purchase.